You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it.
No big deal.
It's so cool. Pick a color.
Go that way. Why don't we move this washing?
Yeah.
Did you just?
No,
Okay, go that way. Step that way. Okay, there you go.
There we go, raise your hand.
No, I don't believe they really.
Did you feel it? Alright.
No, they didn't. Hair's not even there.
You do it?
You're not leaving yet, okay?
Did you feel it?
Sam, there should be soap already in there, babe.
Okay.
Emily, gross. You need to get inside really. They feel gross. I didn't feel anything. Yeah, right?
Is there soap already in the washing thing?
Soap is right there.
Okay, Sam, didn't have to use it. I'm
just have to
sorry.
open it up.
You know what it is?
Cool.
There you go.
Okay, you felt it? Alright.
What is it? Something. It was all gooey.
Alright, go this way.
They felt the